Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you 3 examples of men's hair. So I'm just going to start off with this guy, who as you can see has no hair. So the first hairstyle we're going to look at is a kind of medium hairstyle. And as you can see, it's starting to grow long and flop over the front. And if this character looks familiar, it's because he's the character I used on the front of my newest book, drawing facial expressions and emotions. And if that looks good to you, then it's available on Amazon. Okay, for this hairstyle, draw the top of the hair quite flat, and then just have big spikes on the bottom. And as you can see, I've actually added some small spikes at the back of the hair as well, and also the sideburns are coming down a lot as well. Okay, so for the next example, I'm just going to show you what this character would look like with curly thick hair, but also quite short. As you can see with this, I'm not using spikes, I'm using these half circles, and I've done this all the way around the hair. So the next example is someone who has pushed their hair back on the top, kind of like they're using some kind of hair product. And as you can see in this example, the bottom of the hair is more straight, and the top I've added just these big spikes going back. And that's it, just 3 quick examples of men's hair. The next video in this how to draw hair playlist will probably be about women's hair. So if you want to see that, then remember to subscribe and like the video.